Did you make me a cake? Are you going to sing me happy birthday?
I'll sing you happy birthday.
But do I get a cake?
I'll give you...
I may not have made you a cake.
Oh, that's a cool picture.
I think it should be a rule that on your birthday you get to sleep in. And that's not going to happen today. Where's Daddy? You say bye. Bye, Daddy. See you after work. Gosh, I am in like the biggest hurry ever. So it's my birthday. So my mum, which you guys, sorry if you can't see anything, I'm just getting into position. My mum, you probably haven't heard much about because I don't see her a lot. I mean, I see her, but I don't see her as much as my mother-in-law because my mum's an alcoholic, so fun. But she remembered my birthday and she wanted to take me out for lunch. So we're going out for brunch because I have a hospital appointment at 12:30 to get my blood pressure checked and bloods and CTG or whatever it's called. Yeah, so we're in a bit of a hurry now. So while I'm waiting for my mum to arrive, she said she's just to wait 2 minutes. So I thought I might just mention that I'm pretty sure Mila has dropped a lot in the past couple of days. In my last belly picture, I can definitely tell my stomach's lower, but today, just walking around, oh my gosh, the discomfort in my crotch is like getting really bad. Like I feel like there's this huge weight just sitting there, which makes me think that her head has dropped down a bit more. Getting ready for being born, basically. What am I today? 35 weeks and 4 days, I think. Yeah. I'm really nervous to see what happens at the hospital today because it's these appointments that make me a bit nervous because it's like, are they just going to say, look, we're going to induce you? I really don't want to be induced. I don't want to be induced because you're hooked up to these monitors, you have to constantly be monitored, like, and baby's constantly got to be monitored, and you know, like, with Roman I wasn't even allowed a bath. I was in the bath for 5 minutes, and then they yanked me out again and was like, you have to go back on the monitors. And, you know, they're like forcing your baby out, so obviously the pain's probably worse. I mean, labour hurts anyway, but, you know, you're forcing your body to do something that it wasn't ready to do. You know, you're strapped down on your back. Labour is not good on your back. Like, I'd want to walk around, I want to be in the bath, I want to, you know, labour in natural positions rather than just strapped down on my back. This is my 26th birthday lunch. I'm just trying to give myself a heart attack. Oh, my drink is a iced chocolate. It did have cream, but I ate it all. What have you got, Roman? You got some chips? He hates the camera. He's just like, get the camera off me. So you can meet my mum. Hi. My sister, my brother, and my brother-in-law if he ever puts a ring on that. Because I'm breathing out. It's all pretty low. I'm not having any contractions. Oh, and she's gone. That wasn't too bad blood pressure either. Yeah. What's that one do again? Contractions and Mila's heart rate.
Just move his head down the bottom there, which is good. This is my centre. So that'll be going nicely there. Just fingers, which you can see moving around, and then if you scan down, you get through wrists, So the hand curled up there. That's the face, it's the nose there. Eye.
Oh, wow.
And you can kind of see the corner of the lip there as well. The baby's just slightly shy, hiding a hand in front, so if I scan down, you just get hand. Those come through this. Can you kind of see that hand up there with the eye of faith?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
And these are all just lips of cord.
So I'm back from the hospital. Yeah, like I said, it went great. It went perfect. So at the moment, no mention of induction. So we may actually get this baby like with spontaneous labour, which is what I want. I'm definitely going to go get some raspberry leaf tea or something though, and just like see if I can, you know, get labour going naturally before they have a chance to induce me or something like that. I don't know. So my friend came over today and dropped me off a little present because it's my birthday, and she got this gorgeous wrap for Mila. It's a swaddle wrap / blanket. I wanted this so bad, and she had brought the last one. So she just obviously listens really well because she heard me. I was telling her about it. I was like, there's this beautiful wrap at Pumpkin Patch, and I really want it. And she'd gone and brought it for me, so it's so sweet. I'm trying to show you like what it looks like. Isn't this gorgeous? It's got like the little roses. My camera's not going to focus on them. And just this little ruffle edge, which I think is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wrap our little girl in this. And for me, she brought me this like bath bomb, and apparently it's really good for relaxation. It's full of lavender. So my nana suggested to me that I like break it all up and put it in a jar and just do like a tablespoon at a time or something, so then I don't use the whole thing at once and I can have multiple baths with it. It smells incredible.
Stop.
What's he making him say?
Say thank you. I told Roman that we didn't have anything.
What have you got?
What have you got?
Oh no, he's gonna turn into brick.
Fist bump. Boom.
What's $1 on your birthday?
No wonder we shouted.
Oh, didn't
Oh, any wonder it's their shout.
Oh, sorry. I got shout.
No, guys, I'll get this for her. That was my idea.
Happy birthday, wife.
So...
Nicole's not paying. I gotta pay $1.
That's my shout.
You owe me $1. Yeah. I might be able to pay
And
it back, thank you.
what did Roman say about this place? What's this place, Roman?
It looks flash, eh?
It's flash as. Don't scratch the...
Yeah.
This is
I'm
this is
getting a
next
traffic
level flash.
I'm getting
Compared
a traffic light.
I want to get a pink pink.
This is we used to come to Genghis Khan, but this is next level flash compared to what we used to go to. Okay.
Did you make me a cake? Are you going to sing me happy birthday?
I'll sing you happy birthday.
But do I get a cake?
I'll give you.
I may not have made you a cake.
I'll give you. I gave you a bun in the oven.
Oh, snap.
No, you didn't. Well, I paid for it. Stacey, how did we end up coming up second?
I'm pregnant, so I get first dibs.
Do you know how big you look in this? Because the
You
first
better
time.
just mean the belly.
Because the first time you. Oh wait.
Don't film my ass.
Need a wide angle lens. It doesn't fit in. Should we have bets on what Nicole will have on her plate?
Oh, here it is.
It'll be like no vegetables. It'll be like meat and like nothing else. Yeah. Yum yum. I don't think they do chips here, baby. Do they? Yeah, I'll show them to them. Oh. Where? Look at chips. What? Where's your drink bottle? That was hilarious. Oh, I see.
Right there.
So we see what Nicole has on her plate. Oh, they do have chips. Oh, yeah. Oh, yum, yum. What is that? Look, what is that? What do you got?
The boys go straight for the real stuff. Me and Stacey have gone for our soup first. Thank you.
Is that really good?
He's like, yeah, best milkshake ever.
Oh, no.
And I got my kitty traffic light.
Like, I can't believe you got sushi. You what?
I'm gonna get sushi, even though I probably shouldn't here. But so when I was in Fiji, I ordered one of these, and it ended up being alcoholic. Traffic lights are not meant to be alcoholic, but it was alcoholic. This one hopefully isn't. Oh, this one was on the kids menu, so it's definitely not alcoholic.
So, me and Brendan, we've had probably a couple of courses, maybe 2 or 3. These girls here are just chilling out. They keep saying, I'm waiting for the rush to go, but I don't think it's going to go.
Oh, and my stomach size is smaller, so I've got to wait for it to like digest. No.
The meal over here.
Yeah, if I put you in your chair.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, they're going to get more food. They're allowed to, you know. He's going to be the boss of something one day.
Oh, yeah.
What? Of the Bossy Britches Club.
I don't know where all of you are from, but this is Mongolia. Is it Mongolia? Yeah, Mongolia. So they like fry everything up on this big hot plate barbecue thing. So basically,
That's not how they do it in Mongolia.
oh, how they do it in Mongolia?
On a fire,
Oh, on a fire.
like with coal.
So we're
Have you
cheating.
been to
So
Mongolia?
we're cheating. No.
Yeah, the Bible. I watched Long Way Round. No, Long Way. Yeah, Long Way Round. Ewan McGregor and Charlie Ballman.
Oh yeah. So anyway, you basically fill up your plate over there with. There's like you choose your meat and then your veg and then you choose the sauce and then they cook it on this thing. Nicole can't wait.
Apparently putting your hands over your ears is going to save you from the fire.
Two ronga. Roman has been very good tonight, isn't he, dear?
Yes, he is. He's been very well behaved. Yeah, he's driving. Yeah. Are they? Where are they going?
Where are they going? They're going to say.
You gotta do both legs. Good boy, high five. Oh, yeah.